Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see very nasty pest that destroys our plants. If it is infested with these mealybugs, then plants do not survive and they lose all their luster. But if you take few corrective steps, then it is very easy to Yes, friends, it is very easy to treat these mealybugs if you are treating them in the initial stages. First and foremost, give water spray to your plants at least once in a week. So these mealybugs, eggs of these mealybugs will not get settled on your plant. Just water spray. And also you can spray neem oil spray. If you do not have neem oil, then you can just put 1 spoon soap, liquid soap in 1 liter water and spray it. If you do not want to spray liquid soap, then you can put 1 spoon turmeric in 1 liter water and spray it on your plant. It is so easy. Friends, the first indication that your plant is infested with mealybug is that you will have black ants on your plant. These mealybugs secrete excreta which is sweet, and these black ants follow it for this excreta of mealybugs. So this is a clear indication that your plant is infested with mealybugs. Friends, at least once in 15 days, give neem oil spray to your plant. It is very easy, friend. Neem oil is available online also, and it is available in any nursery, local nursery also. You can buy it from anywhere. So if every 1 month, once in every month, whether your plant is infested or not, make it a point to spray neem oil on your plants. Friends, always remember, prevention is better than cure. So keep your plant healthy. And sometimes we keep plants indoors also. So if plants are infested, then they may cause allergy to human beings. So all your plants give a spray of neem oil. It is very easy. In a sprayer, you can take 1 liter water, in that 1 spoon neem oil and 1 spoon soap solution. Mix it well and give a thorough spray to all your plants, even under the leaves, because these pests always lay eggs under the leaves. So give a thorough spray to your plants once in every 15 days or once every month at least once in a month. If you are spraying your plants, these pests will not attack your plants and you can have a very beautiful garden. So friends, do take care of your plants and use the simple solutions. Happy gardening, friends. Bye bye for now.